vitamin D, and a little bit of milk. It's made from the best cows ever. The cows are happy, and we give them their own milk, and then it comes out even softer.
I'm
It's
not
so
a happy cow. Can you see this?
Get this cow out of here. That's not one of our cows.
That's not true. It's time for your softening session.
Not one of our cows. Somebody must be playing a prank. Anyways, this butter is made for the best people. You will be so happy with this. You will get your big vitamin D fix just with this little buddy. Premium butter with a premium price.